Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can fix YouTube Vanced which is not working. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure that you have fast internet. Make sure that the internet you are using is not lagging. The next thing that you need to do is you need to make sure that your system is up to date. So you just check on the system update and make sure that it's up to date. So as you can see, your system says that the system is up to date to my or based on my latest update. The third thing that you need to do is to make sure that it doesn't have a VPN. So make sure that you are not using VPN during this YouTube Vanced section. The last thing that you need to do is to make sure that you understand that YouTube Vanced has stopped working for a while. So all you need to do is you can download the latest version of YouTube Vanced, as the last version is not working. So you just search on YouTube Vanced and you can freely download the app here. So I hope you found this content useful and see you in the next one.